Hello, welcome back yet again. Today I'm going to be looking at how I've built these cabinet bases. They're a nice easy little build. I've put a mitre saw station in, so let's see how I got along. First it's time to measure up and then rip down all my pieces that I'm going to need for this build. That's right, on the floor. But that's what it's starting to look like, with a bit of a bench top on. Do something with that wall. Another cupboard around this corner. Let's get in there. So I've managed to cut these lengths down, just using a straight edge, a couple of clamps and a circular saw. So I've got all three units basically in place. All I need to do now is to find a way just to support that back corner. Obviously that pipe running around makes things a little bit more tricky, so I'm just going to put two angle pieces in. It's not ideal, but I've got one supporting. I'll get a second one on and then I'm going to move on to screwing in the worktops. Right, there we have it. We're all screwed in now. Just time to move on to this side. Minding the recording stand. Seems to be getting there. When it does, I'll be so grateful to get my tools off at the floor, because that is no way to work. Starting to get there. It's been a bit of a slog to get this far. I think it's going to be electrics next. I'm unboxing the mitre saw, and then look at what I'm going to do with doors, drawers, etc. Finally, for the first time in 2 months, I feel like I've got some progress. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.